So in this video, I'll show you how you can create an AI chatbot for your own insurance agency. But before we move on further and see how this AI chatbot can be created, let's see how this AI chatbot is going to work. So let's say I'm going to type hey and I'm going to send this hey on WhatsApp, and within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply me. So let's wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that it is replying me. So let's say I'm going to ask about what you offer, and I'm just going to send this question over here. Once again, within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply me. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and it has shared me all the details of what they offer. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows so much about this insurance agency, like what they offer, what's the price of this insurance plan and all. So I have created a knowledge base and I've uploaded this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only, this AI chatbot is replying me, be it about telling about the proper plans or anything else. And also, let's say I'm going to ask a FAQ right over here. So let's say I'm going to ask this FAQ, which is what if I miss my policy renewal date. So as you can see, the answer to this question is you can renew it within 15 to 30 days with minor penalties. So let's open the WhatsApp, and as you can see that it has replied me same right over here. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create for our own insurance agency today. So to create this AI chatbot, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you're an existing user like me, you can directly click on this sign in and open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. And this is really a good feature. You can definitely explore Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard. First of all, after opening the dashboard, you have to make sure that you've added WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you haven't, click on this add WhatsApp number button and add your WhatsApp number. If you wish to learn in detail how to add your WhatsApp number, a video tutorial dedicated towards same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. Now after adding the WhatsApp number, from the left end of the side, go on this AI assistant and click on this add AI assistant button. Now you have to name your AI assistant. So I'm just going to name it as chatbot for insurance agency. So I'm just going to enter the name of my AI chatbot right over here. And after entering the name of my AI chatbot, I am going to click on this add AI assistant button. Now once we click on this add AI assistant button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now it is asking me to select the instruction type. So if you wish, you can select it as custom prompt over here. Now you have to give the instructions which will be unique to your business. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and so on. So you can use any one of these pre-built examples too. When you select any one of this pre-built example, the instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some point, like you can edit the instructions, but if you wish, you can definitely keep the instructions exactly the same and move on further like I am doing. So I'm going to select the instruction type as AI agent over here. Now for the temperature over here, this is how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now for the AI to use, select it as open AI. For the model, select the model of your choice. After selecting the model, it is asking me for the API key. So if you have created a AI chatbot before this inside Pabbly Chatflow, maybe your API key is saved and you can fill it right from here. But if this is not the case, you have to go towards your OpenAI API key page. After you come on this OpenAI API key page, click on this create new secret key button right over here. Enter the key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created. So copy the key and paste it right over here, and then click on this connect, and this key will be connected. Now you can see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. And after adding this API key, let's move on further towards the settings. So over here you can add the header and the footer message. You just have to type the header and the footer message like this. The maximum characters are up to 16. The next is this stop keyword. So over here you can enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. You just have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that you press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added like this. All right, so you have to make sure that you press enter enter. So now you can enter the keywords, and let's say some user is chatting with the AI agent and then the user typed this keyword. Then what is going to happen is the AI agent is going to stop right there, and the AI agent is not going to reply to that user any more further, because a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI agent. So this is very helpful if your user wants to speak to a human. The next is this retry attempts. Over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. The next is this fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So I'm going to enter the message as this, and I'm going to add the support email address of my agency over here. So let's say someday the API key is not working, then this user can contact me on Gmail when they receive this fallback message. After this, we have completed these instructions. The next is this knowledge source. So over here you can upload your knowledge source like I told you in the starting of this video, and using this knowledge source only the AI assistant is going to reply you. So first of all, you have to open a blank Google document and enter the knowledge unique to your own insurance agency in that blank Google document. What all you can include who we are, you can include the mission, what you offer, FAQs, company background, policy information, and the rest of the details. After adding all of these details in a Google document, you have to go to this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. What you have to do is you have to go to this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both are supported, but I'm just going to download this in TXT format right over here because TXT is preferred. Because for PDF we have no page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So you have to go to this choose a file, and then you have to upload the file which you have downloaded right over here to upload the knowledge base. After you upload this file, your knowledge source is added, and over here you're going to see the proof of that, which is this vector ID. After this, you have to go to this assistant interface, and you can change the interface. What you can do is you can add the heading right over here. Alright, so let's say I'm going to keep the heading as this right over here. So once I'm going to edit it, it will be edited on the right hand side too. The next is a subheading. So same goes for the subheading. You can edit it like this. The next is initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it. Now we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enabled. Otherwise you can disable it right from here. Now for the footer text and footer link, you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Once the link is added, the text will be converted into the link. Otherwise it will remain a plain text, something like this. Now we have this user first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So you can customize this user's first message. I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further towards the styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors, and also the profile pictures. After you style this chatbot is ready, you have to just switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. Now it is ready to run. But how can we use it for a business and run it for a business? For that you have to go to this embedded, and you're going to get this script. Copy this script and paste it on your website, and this chatbot is going to be added on your website. Then whenever someone visits your website and click on this chat with us button and then clicks on this start chat button, they will be redirected on WhatsApp, and then this user's first message will be sent from your user towards you on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp chatbot is going to get activated and reply to your user like this. And then further what you can do is if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts, then go on this inbox. After you come on this inbox, you have to assign this. So let's say I want to assign this AI chatbot to this contact. So I'm just going to open the contact, go to this choose AI chatbot, and I can assign this AI chatbot like this to this particular contact. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, then go to this settings and then go towards inbox settings. Once you are on the inbox settings, you have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and the AI chatbot who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. If you wish to learn how to create the contact list, go on this contact section, and from here you can create a contact list. A video tutorial dedicated towards contacts in each of the section of Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create your AI chatbot for your own insurance agency. So now go and try this amazing AI chatbot, because right now we are offering a free trial trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.